on, we will be, I guess, attempting to vlog. We got a 5.5-hour flight, y'all. And our flight leaves in an hour.
Rest. We ain't slept yet. Well, I can't lie, I did get a nap.
He got a big nap in. I didn't get a nap in, so y'all gonna see a different side of me today. Or maybe I'll just talk to y'all when we get there.
Late.
Huh?
How much longer do we have?
It was 2 hours.
2 hours until our plane leaves?
Yeah, it leaves at 6:15.
Some Starbucks.
For what, babe? I'm not touching caffeine because I'm trying to go to bed.
They gonna hear me snoring today. I'm about to be open. They're gonna hear me. They're gonna see all that. All that.
Oh my gosh.
They're gonna push me out.
Absolutely. Why you look so nice going to the airport? You look swaggy. Y'all, everywhere he goes, he literally dresses up. Me, I be look at me. Like, what are those? Like, what happened? I got sandals on with the whole sweaters and things, and he's swagged out from head to toe. Gotta be. He's gonna be uncomfortable.
Oh man, this is
comfortable. Got the Adidas.
The crazy thing is, I'm super comfortable right now. I'm gonna do a vlog one day. Do a vlog about how to be comfortable.
Babe, so you're gonna be comfortable sleeping in a jean shirt, a jean jacket for 5.5 hours.
Yeah, because it's cold on the, it's cold on the cabins. It'll be just fine. Just fine.
Why didn't you want to bring your Michael Kors watch?
It's just a hassle.
Huh?
It's a hassle.
A hassle? I bought that for you.
Like bringing all that extra stuff. That's not right.
I hollered. Yeah, my lashes just clumped together.
I was so embarrassed when I went into the bathroom.
Why?
I devoured the peanuts. Right when I smelled, I had all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff in my teeth. I was so embarrassed. It's like, what the world?
Oh my gosh, I told you. You ate those things so fast like they were a hamburger.
What's this next? Surely. Peanuts. Surely.
Yeah.
Don't you disappoint.
My thing this week, I look a mess because I haven't been to sleep but 4 hours. We're landing. But I just came to tell y'all how long. I'm like, I hollered.
I'm laughing so hard.
Oh my god, LOL.
Man, that was so funny. That was so funny. Get your ears popping. Do anybody do this? Get your ears popping? Hold your nose. I still thought I was the only one for a long time.
That you the only one?
Yeah, to hold my nose and pop my ears.
Wow.
For the longest.
I hollered.
Just want to get off of it. Just want to get off of it.
I'm so hungry right now. They had food. It was like a big bagel. That was not a real bagel. That thing was like this thin. And they had apple on it.
I took the apples off, but the bagel seemed like it was like a cinnamon thing. It had something on. I couldn't see. It was dark. I didn't really care, to be honest. I was just so hungry. I devoured that too.
I'm starving now.
No, I could have ate that bagel just with one scoop. So hungry.
Really good.
So hungry. Going as slow as they are as we can.
Because we got 3 hours to spare, might as well enjoy it. Why he staring at me then? I look homeless while outdoors. We're not in a hurry.
Those are some nice shoes, man. Those are some really nice shoes.
Found them at the Adidas outlet. You know how it is. We always try to save money, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Make them feel good. Gotta make them feel good. No.
You told me it was nasty too. You said you don't like it.
When my grandma made it, I like it. She made it raw. She just boiled it.
Are you still eating? He's really enjoying himself right now. I'm done.
Bringing back memories.
Memories of what? Your childhood?
Yep.
His family's from the Virgin Islands. So a lot of islanders cook like a light shrimp.
Yep. Never understood it until now.
Batty is in the building. Batty is in the building, okay? Hey, babe, say hi to the vlog. So we are finally out. It is 10:53. I was so tired and I was moving really slow. But I'm here. We're better. And my hair is flat. But we're headed to San Juan, Old San Juan. We're going to take a bunch of pictures. First priority is get breakfast, walk around, explore, find all of the pretty sights. And it's our anniversary, guys, so 4 years in the game. And we're just out here trying to change the world, honestly. 4 years now, we gotta get on the ball with whatever we want to do. Oh gosh. Oh, we gotta go back and close our Airbnb gate, by the way. We're at an Airbnb. I thought about staying at a resort. I dropped the thing. I thought about staying at a resort, but literally every time we stay at a resort, we're never there. We waste all of our money. We don't enjoy the amenities. So we were like, you know what, might as well stay at an Airbnb, save money, do more, have more adventures, go out, all that. So that's what we decided to do instead of just like go to a resort instead, because resorts are tough. And if you're gonna stay there and get massages and all that kind of stuff, then yeah, but that's not our agenda, because I mean, our life is not strenuous, and so we don't feel like we need to take a break from much. We do have a lot of things on our plate, but this place better be good, baby.
I'm hungry.
Yo, so sometimes their stop signs don't say anything. This one says pare. If we were to walk down the other way, that's where the beach is. We should have walked to the beach, babe, but we're too hungry to do that. So let me tell you guys about yesterday. I'm sorry if the camera is really bad with the lighting. We were at this restaurant and we didn't know any Spanish. Like, I know Spanish, but I'm afraid that if I say the wrong, I don't know Spanish, let me not lie. I know a few things in Spanish, so like I didn't want to like say the wrong thing and like, you know, say the wrong type of Spanish, but I was tripping because I heard them say some words that I knew, like buenos dias, buenas noches, bien, y tú, de donde eres, de donde es. They had McDonald's. This McDonald's is litty, baby. Just get you some McDonald's and call it a day. Let's get up, move on about our day. They got McDonald's, they got Burger King, they got Subway, and then they got a bunch of other stuff that we've never seen before. Cafe de Luna. Oh, I gotta show the people that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there was a couple, and he couldn't get his wife up the thing, so someone got out to help them. That was so sweet of them. I got heavy gel on my hair today too, because I was not trying to go out like that with the humidity demon, because humidity will get you if you let it. But I see a lot of my sisters out here with curly hair, which is bomb. There's also a lot of graffiti on like people's businesses. KFC. Wow. Okay, so they really out here. So yeah, I will. We're not good at vlogging. We don't like to just like have cameras on our life 24/7. So I've already talked enough. When we get to San Juan, I will go ahead and vlog again. And I'm so excited.
understand why. Such a beautiful day. Humidity is real though. A lot about that. So try to get to this waffle place, Waffaletta tea room. It's really humid. Reminds me of my Tennessee days, southern days. So, you know, since I've been in California, I don't feel this humidity like that anymore. But it's really nice, man. I love the colors. It's beautiful.
There's not a cloud in the sky. I don't know why they said it was gonna rain.
One thing I can't wait to go to is to this water, though.
So here are the hangry birds, y'all. I don't know, what is this called, babe? Big brother?
Big breakfast.
Big breakfast, Patty's breakfast. And then mine is like prosciutto, something. I don't know, y'all. Y'all know how y'all can stay up on the game? Make sure you drink your water. Cheers. Drink lots of water. Then you'll be in the bathroom too long and you won't have to worry about anybody else's business. We're out here at El Morro Fort.
El Morro. You gotta put the roll the R.
Show them the view.
Show them the view.
I told people, everybody keeps coming up to me speaking in Espanol because I look like I'm from Puerto Rico and Babe looks like he's from Puerto Rico.
Got that smooth skin, you know.
Because
It's the texture.
everybody really looks like us, like for real.
Boy, that could be
And
something
it really explains to me why people always thought I was Puerto Rican. Puerto Rican, Boricua. That's what
What does that mean?
Boricua? I think it means
You
beautiful.
don't even know what it means. You
I think it
saying
means
stuff.
beautiful woman.
Out here speaking in tongues.
So, we've committed to learning 2 languages. We need to learn French because we want to go to Paris next year.
French and Spanish.
And we need to know Spanish because I think everybody knows English, Spanish, French. Once you learn that many languages, then it's easy to learn other languages, right? Yeah, it feels so good right now. You tried it.
You don't want to go over there?
I'm going through the thing, baby. So y'all want to see what we're looking at? I want to see what we're. Straight up to the top. When I get there, I promise you won't. So y'all, I'm still on the block. Look at that. So how do you feel about 4 years, baby?
I feel good. It feels like, for some reason, it doesn't feel that long. I don't know.
I know.
Maybe
It
it's
does
long.
feel that long thinking back on it, but then like.
Your hair is I used to hear all night. Show.
This is such a great, like,
Beautiful.
wow. How do you feel? It doesn't feel that long?
Doesn't feel that long. I feel great. I feel like we have a lot of love to catch up on.
What? He just be saying stuff, y'all.
Yeah, it's
This
real.
man accidentally made a post and called me his knight in shining armor.
I meant to say I'm her knight inside the armor. So
I was like, babe, I can't be a knight.
Don't do me. Don't do that.
Don't do me. I say that all the
Don't
time.
do that.
Y'all, I be making him
That's what
say
happens.
everything I be
In the
saying.
4 years, she starts saying stuff that I say to her, and then I start saying things that she says to me.
I think I'm winning on the
I'm pretty
vocab
sure I'm
session right
winning.
now.
Absolutely.
What
So
about
you
every
gotta-
time you start stuttering and I go tut, now you do that to me?
She'll start studying it. Try to get her words together. Get it out.
Right.
Get it out now.
Well, I'm happy about 4 years. We made it. We graduated from high school marriage. Now we in college marriage.
I feel like we ain't nowhere till we get to 5.
We're in college now. We're freshman college
Is
marriage.
that 4 years? Yeah, that's
Because we graduated high school marriage.
Yeah, high school.
Now we're college marriage.
Now we
Like
trying to
below
give
if
out-
you guys are college marriage.
If you notice, like how we've been about our business lately, we graduating. Like we in college now, trying to get our business together.
Absolutely.
You know what I'm saying? Trying to create a legacy, trying to build an inheritance for our future children.
Absolutely, Daddy.
That's what college looks like. 4 years and beyond.
4 years and beyond, forever and always.
We got a lot more work to do.
Forever and always.
It hasn't been easy.
Forever and always.
Always and forever. My bad.
The end.
Happy 4th, baby.
Happy 4th anniversary.
Kiss, kiss.
What? A kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss. Don't act like that. Don't act brand new in the camera now. Don't act brand new.
Why we kissing on camera?
Act brand new with it.
Why we kissing on camera?
Look at this.
How do you feel that my hair is always covering your face?
How I feel? I feel warm a lot of times. It's like a pillow. I'm going to sleep. It's cute. You're fine, baby.
You fine.
No, you're fine.
You fine.
Look at that. Yeah, look at this. Look at this view.
Show them the view.
Show them the view. We in here. San Juan, Puerto Rico.
You sound like you from New York sometimes.
I do.
Look.
First year was Hawaii, Maui. Second year was San Fran. Third year was New York. Fourth year is Puerto Rico.
San Juan.
Mwah. We in here. Peace.
Yeah. Gotta show y'all my acoustic. What you know about the studio? Babe, come get in the studio. Come on. And y'all, this is just beautiful. This is what we do on vacay. We just sightsee. Won't do much. We just sightsee. You feel me? We just sightsee. You feel me? Baby out here. Come on. Come on, you cutie. I don't think I would. So I think that this is where people would set up their cannons.
Yep, them arrows.
What would they do, babe?
Duck.
Absolutely.
Fire!
Hey, y'all. Since we last talked, I broke my phone. Dropped it. And so now the front-facing camera doesn't work, but the back does. So we're headed to dinner. Here we are. Y'all, it is 1:30. So here's what happened yesterday. So basically we got so hungry and we went to bed at 9, got back up, we got so hungry that we ended up, what was that? We got so hungry we ended up going to Walgreens, getting like Lunchables and random stuff like that. We were so hungry, stayed up, watched TV, then went to bed at about 2 or 3, woke up at 11:30, and we just been around here chilling, which is, I guess, good because you don't want to rush and run around your whole vacation. So that's what we've been doing now. We're dressed. Y'all see the beach attire. We're going to go to the beach today. We're going to get us some food. We literally don't know. We really didn't really have any plans today because all of our plans are tomorrow. And y'all will see tomorrow. But all of our plans were for tomorrow. And then that's all. So I guess we're just walking around. We're chilling at the beach. We're going to be probably going down here really quick to see what this beach is like. And then see if we like any other beaches. In the meantime, I will vlog and check in soon. Say hi to the vlog, baby.
Hey.
All right, look how close we were. Right there. So we're basically in paradise right now. Wow. I just don't like that seaweed, but I mean, it's a beach. Babe, you gotta see this on camera. Come here. Look at this.
Oh. It's fire.
Mulzacs and not Maui. Puerto Rico. So we're here at Casalta. I hope I say it right. It's here in Puerto Rico, by Ocean Beach, and this is the same bakery that President Obama came to. So we're here, and we just ordered food. I don't think I'm gonna be able to try one of the baked pastries. I wish I did, but I got something called the Cubano. I think that's how I say it, Cubano sandwich, and my husband, got an omelet and pancakes and I think a drink. He's just basic. I don't know why he don't try nothing new, but he said he had something in mind on what he wanted, so that's what he's eating. And yeah, so I'll show you guys what it is. Again, I broke my phone yesterday, so I can't really do a lot of like video recording on the back side of my camera, but I may just like use his phone to like show you how everything looks. So if I did that, then I'll insert that clip now. I don't know if you can read it. It says on June 14, 2011, United States President Mr. Barack Obama had lunch on this table. Goals achieved. But the food review commenced.
Pretty good. I enjoyed it.
I don't think I liked my sandwich as much because it had pork, and I don't really like shredded pork like that. It's just nasty. It was okay. I probably should have just got a pastry and called it a day though.
Off at the bottom.
You left a lot of your food though.
I didn't. I ate all of my omelet. I ate 2 of them pieces of bread, and I ate half the pancakes. It was 2 of them. So to me, it's a lot of food. A lot of food.
So yeah. So now we'll go back to the beach. I think we need a blanket, babe. What do you think?
Probably.
Did we even bring towels?
The towels are in the house.
Whew. I think I am full.
This is not as hot as it was earlier. Man, midday. Charizard in hell to burn you up, huh?
Huh?
Charizard in hell to burn you up.
Huh?
Pokemon Go. What happened to Pokemon Go, man?
I don't know how people
That was good for a
hold
little
these this whole
second.
time. My hand hurts.
Pokemon Go was good for a hot second.
What's that? We have to get each other cards, babe. We do. We have a whole thing of cards. We forgot to get each other cards for anniversary to keep for our kids one day. They don't look like they have blankets here. Nope. Nope, babe. Y'all, so we keep going into stores and the alarm goes off. Guess why? Because LaRocco has on these, he has on these pants that he got from Cotton On, and they forgot to take off the sensor. So every time we go in or out of the store, the alarm sets off because of that sensor. How you feel about it? Show them the pants.
I'm doing all that.
Show them the pants. Come on.
I don't know why I'm even wearing these things.
I kept wondering, and he caught eyes with the lady just now and everything. I'm like, she probably think we just stole something. But yeah. Look at this house. That's nice. I think he got destroyed by the hurricane.
Give me one of these Jeeps.
We came to the wrong one.
All right.
I think there's turtles here.
What does that mean? Respecta su ciclo de vida. I don't know none of these terms. Try my hardest to figure out what con queso means. It means with cheese.
What, LaRocco?
So in this restaurant, like trying to figure this thing out. Alright, con queso de blanco. That's Swiss with Swiss cheese. Look at this. It's a chill beach though. I like it. We got a lot going on. It's a lot cooler than it was earlier today. What happened? Nice family beach here. Shoot, like. Which way? Huh?
You want to go left?
This way, whichever way.
Which way do you want to go? Oh, you see the cruise ship out there?
Yeah. Way deep. It looks like it's gonna rain tonight.
Alright.
It's definitely gonna rain tonight.
My first touch of the ocean. Wow. It's not warm, it's like cool. Wow. Oh, it's actually cold. That's shocking. It's not like cold like Cali cold, but it's cold cold. So, my lashes are done for. Hair done for. We actually jumped in the water today. And this is such a beautiful sunset.
I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see.
Wow. So yeah, now we're just gonna go home. I don't know what we're doing next. Probably just chilling. Get some food. You know, chill. Watch TV. We have a big day ahead of us, so see you later. So here we are. I have no foundation on, but I do need my brows, you feel me? I do need my brows, I do need my chin, my lips to not be soggy. So we are headed out again to go find food.
Absolutely.
And we're trying to find something good, tasty, muy bien, if you will. Muy bien.
Muy bien.
And we out here, really. That's really all I have to say is that we out here.
That's all we got to say.
So
We out here. Out here. Not out here, but out here. Tell your neighbor that we out here.
oh my gosh. Can I get a witness?
Oh, all right. Can I get a witness?
Don't play me.
Can I get a witness?
Gosh.
Can I get a witness?
Stop.
Come on, and finish it.
Stop.
All right, now.
This part pare means stop, Morocco,
Yeah, but he
not
did stop.
to keep going.
That's wrong.
Their stop signs say pare. I would be showing y'all the street, but again, my camera's broken.
It's gonna get it's dark.
Yeah, that too. Oh, you tired, ain't you?
Ah, she knows.
Mouth open wide.
Got me.
Oh, horse lips. Ah.
Start.
Oh, dinosaur boy.
Start. And before time.
Oh, Land Before Time looking. World, Jurassic World looking. Oh.
Winnie the Pooh sister, where art thou?
Oh. Oh, medieval times.
If only knew face.
If only you knew. Maybe we should go by all those resort areas, babe. That's probably got too much going on over there, though. We haven't been over there for real.
Where's that at?
You know how like when we were going towards Old San Juan?
Chili's.
You want Chili's right now?
I say here is the Chili's.
You want to just stay over here?
Sushi.
Sushi, Cayo Caribe, Balina. I don't think I could play this while if I'm vlogging. That could be copyright. Oh, this is called Pico Rico. Have you ever heard of that before? Un pollo con clase. Your lights.
That's why.
The police turned on. They told him to turn on his lights. They nice out here. They don't care about it. They don't care if we're black out here. They support their own. They let him walk in the street too. That was
That's interesting.
yeah. De los Sirenes.
Survival.
Sirenes.
Basketball zone. I think you should be trying to find some spots maybe about Waterfalls, Pointless.
There's this right here, the place at Condado. That looks nice. It's like pizza, wings,
Yeah, let's go there.
burgers. Let me look that up. I'm looking this up on Yelp. Bye, guys. So pretty out here. I thought he was looking at me, but he was really staring at the gate. What are you doing? You look like you're running on a treadmill. What are you doing? Look, babe, I put it on your face. What are you doing? What are you doing? Cause we got the fire.
We got that vibe.
You're weird. So it's Friday morning and we are headed to the rainforest. So here we are at Carabelli something rainforest. It is burning up out here, legitimately. There's horses over here, so it smells like horse manure. Say hello to the horsies. It's like a whole slew of horses. Wow. Kind of want to do the horse back thing. Babe, there's a whole thing of horses over there. There's a whole thing of horses.
No, it smells like.
Ooh, I think I just stepped in horse poop. I'm just kidding. I didn't. Ew, there's a bunch of lizards out here too. So we're legit in a rainforest.
Let's go this way.
Y'all not ready for the Rough Riders? What it do, what it do? We out here. Yo, I wanted to vlog us, you know, on our, while we were doing it. We're like midway.
It's like you can't do it. Cause
No, cause you
gotta
look,
put your finger on the throttle.
right.
My hair flat.
Yeah, who cares? My hair's flat too, cause we had on these, what do you call it? Bucket hats. But we're out here, guys. They let us stop at this river. I'm down to get in. I don't know about y'all, but I think I'm about to get in. I just gotta be honest with you.
Yes.
Babe, can you record it for me? Like via this? I'm gonna show y'all.
So my wife just got in the river, man. She's in the river. She wants me to come in there. Am I coming in there? Not to me. No sir. Wow. Got the horseback riding. Oh, look at that nice. A tour guide chilling. Look at this view there. Look at that. Look at that. I got bad experiences with rocks under my feet.
You know, bucket list item, complete. How you feel, babe?
Yeah, it was fire.
That was literally one of the funnest things we've ever done.
That was the first thing.
I'm glad we didn't do 2 hours, man. I was done after 1. My hands started hurting
Yeah,
on that little thing.
on that
Yeah,
throttle,
that's why I kept going slow at the end. I done got in the river, y'all. My hair is done. I don't even care. That's how you know it's real. I don't care about nothing. That was fun, guys. I definitely recommend going to Carabali. What was this? Rainforest adventure thing? Absolutely. It's fire. Thank you. Our tour guide. It was real legit, yo. The rocks on my feet kind of hurt though, I ain't gonna lie. But babe decided not to get in. So yeah, I don't know what we're doing next. Probably going to find us a waterfall in the rainforest since we're already here. So see you there. Going to Juan Diego Creek. Oh, you can't see it on that. Tell the people about your experience.
That was an amazing experience.
What we just did.
An amazing experience. We went to this creek. I can't pronounce it.
What was it? San Juan, Juan Diego?
Juan Diego Creek. And it was just amazing. We went inside the water. I'm glad I brought my slides because I wouldn't put my feet in them pebbles like that.
I'm glad I brought my sandals too.
But
This is my second river of the day.
Yes, your second river. My first river of the day. What was it? Oh yeah, you went into the other creek.
Yeah, that one hurt though. I should have put these sandals on then too. I played it off. That's probably the best experience. That's better than the ATV experience. What?
I think it is. Because I ain't never, that's just something I just don't do. You know? I stepped out of my comfort zone that way. But it was phenomenal.
I know. I saw you didn't want to move. You didn't want to change too. I had to tell you, like, come on, babe, you have
I
to.
don't like people looking at me when I'm changing and get ready to go in there. Like, because, you know, I'm very cautious. Very cautious about doing stuff like that.
You have your wallet and everything?
Yeah.
You verified?
Yeah. Solid.
No one to have
I was
stolen
watching it the
from
entire
us.
time.
Hey, pickpocketers, you won't even see them.
I was watching it the entire time. Like a hawk.
My eyelashes falling out.
That was amazing. Whatever you do, like you say, I encourage you to go find you a creek somewhere with a waterfall. And just
You act like that's just at everybody's house. Like, yeah, find you a creek.
go to Puerto Rico or
What is
go to
this?
Maui. That's the launch time.
Oh, yeah.
You did take pictures of that, right?
I did. I didn't get to vlog it good though.
Yeah, a little hiccup. This is just an amazing. This almost reminds me of the road to Hana in Maui,
I know.
in Hawaii.
It
The
does
road to
because
Hana
it's
kinda
winding.
It's winding. I'm assuming all rainforests are like this.
Was that a rainforest that we were in? The road to Hana? That wasn't a rainforest,
What was
babe.
it then?
I don't know.
The road to Hana is a rainforest.
I don't know. Maybe. No, because
All
it
of this
doesn't
is
rain in Hawaii like that. That's what I
It's still
know.
a rainforest.
Babe, rainforests have
What
to
is it
have
called
rain.
then?
Maybe a forest or a
Just a
jungle.
forest that has a whole bunch of mountains and trees.
Babe, a rainforest is because they have to have rain, I believe.
So I guess
Someone
it's
gonna
large.
correct us in the comment
Just a bunch of-
section.
Just a bunch of trees, and grass, mountains.
Y'all.
It's beautiful.
Y'all.
Man, I had an amazing time. Today was an adventure. I can tell you that for sure.
We didn't get to actually like find where La Coca Falls, like where we could swim at though. Someone said that everybody swims there. Well,
It may be closed now. Maybe I gotta go one more.
that was a fun swim hole though. Hopefully I didn't get any parasites or things. Look at this, guys.
I just wanna see how